Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn Insight tag from WordPress. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the LinkedIn Insight tag from WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view your list of active plugins. Look for the LinkedIn Insight tag plugin in the list. If you find it, click on the Deactivate link beneath it. This will disable the plugin from running on your site. After deactivating, click the Delete link that appears. Confirm the deletion when prompted. If you added the Insight tag manually through the Themes code, go to Appearance in the dashboard. Select Theme Editor from the drop-down menu. Find the header.php file in the list of theme files on the right. Click on it to open the code editor. Search for the LinkedIn Insight tag code snippet within the file. Once located, carefully remove the code snippet. After deletion, click the Update File button to save your changes. To ensure the tag is fully removed, check your website source code. Right-click on your web page and select View Page Source. Use the search function by pressing Ctrl+F or Command+F. Type in LinkedIn to see if any remnants of the Insight tag exist. If the code is still present, repeat the process until it's fully removed. Finally, clear your site's cache if you're using a caching plugin. Your LinkedIn Insight tag should now be successfully uninstalled from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.